Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about how to build a complete financial portfolio. Most of the people have a general idea of how they want to spend their later years. Not many ever stop and figure out how they will financially achieve their desired lifestyle. Portfolio is a collection of a wide range of assets that are owned by us, like gold, stocks, funds, derivatives, property, cash equivalents, bonds, etc. Let's get started. How to make it. Your net worth provides a snapshot of your financial situation at this point in time. If you calculate your net worth today, you will see the end result of everything you've earned and everything you've spent up until right now. It is not your salary that make you rich, it is your spending habits. A budget is a plan you write down to decide how you will spend your money each month. Write down your expenses. An expense is money you spend. High interest debts are very bad for your finance, so clear high interest debt first. If you are working, you should always save money for retirement. You can put your savings into various investments such as stocks, real estate, and business. After retirement, you can make the most of the funds that you get from the investment. If you invest your entire money on one shares, and if the share goes down, it will make your investment zero.
An investment in knowledge pays the best interest, so learn new skills that make you money in the future.
It is not enough to making a financial plan, but you have to follow it to get benefits from your financial portfolio.
If you like, then subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates about personal finance. Thanks.